Hey everyone, today I will show you how you can draw portraits like this, and from this you can draw figures like this without seeing any reference picture. By your own you can draw like this or even like this. So I will show you step by step how to do it. This is the first part, that is the front view, and on second part I will show you how to draw this side face. On third part I will show you how to draw angled head, and very last or fourth part I will show you how to draw tilted face with side angle. The tools I am going to use for this video are: number one mechanical pencil, maybe ordinary one, some color pencils. Here I have used dome color pencils to show the steps, and some soft erasers so that you can build one mold out of it. And to stick this mold I need one stick, and the last one scale, and pages on which I will draw. First of all, you just take some color pencil and one mechanical pencil and try to create one circular structure. Try to hover your hand round so that you can easily get one circular structure like this. It may not be proper circle, but it must be circular enough. I am using one darker shade so that you can see the circle easily, but keep the circle not visible much while you are practicing, because it should be hidden while you are constructing your main face figure. Okay. Now divide the circle in 4 parts. The vertical line which passes through the center is called the center line, and the horizontal line which passes through the center is called the brow line. Now divide the lower part and upper part of the center line into three parts. Here, first, second, so third part, first, second. Now the outer part should marked, and lower outer part also should marked. Now take the measurement from center to this line. We have got 3 equal parts now. Just like this. This is the chin line, and the upper outer mark is the hairline. Okay. Now join the side portions. First line, hairline, and the second line. Join them. Both sides we should join like this. Yeah. Now we will divide these two lines in three parts. Take 2 equal distance points so that it will be divided in 3 parts. Same here, like this. Now this line is called nose line, and this section upper line is called the eye line. Now this chin line also must be divided in 3 parts, like same way, divided like this. Okay, and then join them. See, this process is greatly influenced by Loomis method, but I am not directly following his method only. I have summarized 2 or 3 methods, and then I came with the easiest process to draw the face. Now join the eye line and brow line and then slightly follow the curved structure to draw the ears of the both sides. Keep in mind that the shapes must be similar, or if you are drawing any reference picture, then try to give the same as per the reference picture. Now select the middle point and then do one hump and then follow once again upward, and now like this you follow the reference line before and give one another curved line like this. Slowly you can pause the video and then once again you can see how I am doing it. See, one hump, then following hump, after that one line which will follow the outer line of the ear downward, and then just one outer curve. So this is the process by which you can draw the ears. Now take this line and make it 4 parts by using 3 dots, equal distance dots on the brow line as well as on the eye line. Both sides we should mark. This is the easiest process I feel for myself to draw eyes and eyebrows. Now we should focus on the approximate structure, how the face will look like, where the lobes will be there. Just follow how I am doing it. See, the red line shows the basic structure of eyes. Also the chin line. See how I am joining it. One diamond structure and then connect 2 brow lines, and now take the middle of the brow line and eye line and take the middle of these 2 points and then join them like this. Okay, now take the same measurement from brow to the nose, this, yeah, like this. This is the width of the nose. Now just take this measurement. This is the outer upper side of the nose and this is the shaded area. Okay, now take your mechanical pencil once again and draw the nose carving while the nose structure started, and draw 2 angular or circular carvings like this. And now it's time to draw another curve, and these are the nostrils. These are the nostrils. If you want, I can show you how to draw the nose separately. Just let me know that by commenting me. Now see how the nose will be within the 2 eyes. Okay, now it's time to set or balance the eyes. See, I have taken the middle from where the nose carving started. I have taken the middle. Now see how I am drawing the brow line. I have connected the 3 dots and little bit, it is little bit higher than the brow line, and how I am balancing it. You may use any reference structure shape also. As per your convenience, draw the eyebrows. Now about eyes. Start with the corner of the eyebrow and balance it well on the eyeline. You may give any structure as per the reference or by your own. You can select the structure of the eyes, but balance on both sides on eyeline. You may pause and review how I am constructing it. It will be useful for you. Recheck again and again and see whether both eyes have same construction, same shape or not, and then roughly draw the eye fold. That will roughly follow the eye structure. Now your eye is done. Now start drawing the lip. First of all, you can give one point on the curved line and then take the measurement at the middle of the eyes and the nose line, middle somewhere on that curve itself. Okay. Always judge the symmetry. Both sides must be equally parted and then join the two sides. This is the lip partition. Okay. Now draw one upward curve, a V shape, and then join the lip corners. Lip shape is also depending upon you. You may use reference picture shape or by your own, and then roughly draw the lower lip. This must be one single line, a large wide U shape. Now construct the jaw structure which will follow your reference lines. The width of the jaw, you may use the reference picture one or by your own. And chin structure will also, you can give a dimple chin or plain chin or solid chin. These are the cheek lines. These are very important while you are shading your portrait face. You can easily understood this. Now about hairlines. Take one closer curve towards hairline and then select the corners of the hairline. Less the circular part, because human hair never be so circular from the side angle. So we are reducing the side things. And then draw the hairs on that reference line. Once again, you can give the structure of the hair as per the reference picture. Now about the starting of the hairlines. See how I am joining the corners. Draw towards the eyebrow and then go back towards the hair. Follow the reference picture for proper shape of the hair. Now about neckline. This is middle between the end of the eyes and between the starting of the ear. See how I have done. This distance must be same. Okay. So this is about how you can draw face without any reference picture or any grid method. This is inspired by Loomis method. Hey viewers, you may have looked to Pragya's channel. His channel ID is Draw with Pragya. She is also a beginner artist but very talented. You will enjoy her channel too. I think so. Very soon I will come up with part 2. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice time. Bye.